Sure, you can generate a free logo in seconds with AI. They look fine. But it's not exactly your dream logo. It might not represent you, your business, your style. It's just a bit okay. So, what if you could create an AI logo that you're actually proud of? One that's based on your ideas, not stock, and that you can refine without any design skills, like literally none. Well, stick around, folks, and I'll show you exactly how I made this logo and instantly brought it to life on real products. And once you see how easy it is, you won't ever settle for fine ever again. Now, here's the tea. Most AI logo makers work in pretty much the same way, relying heavily on templates or stock elements to create logos, which is why a lot of them start to feel a little samey. VistaPrint's AI Logomaker works differently. Powered by sophisticated AI modeling that's purpose-built for small business logos, it recognizes style, balance, and personality. So, instead of giving you a pretty basic logo that doesn't feel like you, it gives you a custom design that truly matches your vision. Plus, it's not just about the quality of the logo design that's important. A good logo needs to be editable and scalable, so it's crisp and clear at any size. Take this pet store business, Pete and Poppy's, for example. The logo needs to work everywhere, from a tiny business card to a giant vinyl banner. So, getting the right files for your logo that you can actually use in print or online is essential. So now that's out the way, let's see how it works. Okay, so start by simply entering your business name. Next, you'll be asked to describe your business in a few words, with a pre-filled example there to nudge you in the right direction. Then you'll be shown visual examples of different logo styles. Select up to 4 styles that you like, from simple and minimal to fun and whimsical. Now, here comes the important part. Describing the ideal logo for your business. And if you're not sure what's right, don't worry. Our AI learns from you as you go. So it'll offer suggestions to help you write the perfect prompt, no design knowledge required. Then tap Create Logos and voila! Custom logo ideas appear within seconds, complete with clean, balanced layouts and intentional icons. Magic. Or, science, but it's the same vibe anyway. Now, here's where things get fun. Choose the logo design you like and use simple prompts to refine any details within your favorite logo. From graphics to text, color, sizing, all while keeping the design intact. The dream. And if at any point you're not happy with the logo designs, you'll have plenty of other free logo generations so you can explore more ideas without feeling rushed. Or simply go back and edit your brief. Or, if you want that extra special human touch, you can refine your logo with a professional designer for a small fee to ensure your logo is exactly as you envisioned it. Once you're happy with your logo, it's time to download. Now, this part is crucial. You're not just getting a screenshot. No. You'll get high-res professional logo files in formats such as SVG, a vector file, which means your logo stays sharp any way you size it, a PNG, which is great for online use like social media posts or websites, and a PDF file, perfect for print. And both come in full color and transparent background formats. So that's 6 file types in total, completely free to download and ready to print. Speaking of print, once you've downloaded your logo files, you can literally use them anywhere. Like, say, a trusted global printing business that has thousands of products to choose from. Your logo is automatically saved into your VistaPrint account, so you can instantly see how it looks across real products in the brand shop. And it doesn't stop there. You also get a free brand kit which keeps your logo and colors organized in one place. So your brand stays consistent wherever it shows up, like say a website or packaging if you so fancy. Anyway, back to the fun part. Once you've chosen your products, you can easily adjust the size and layout of your logo in our editor and print. And there you have it, all the tools, tips, and little tricks to create a free AI logo that truly feels like yours from day one, and looks even better once it escapes your screen and lands in your lap. So whether you're launching a new business, refreshing your brand, or just experimenting with some fancy logo tech, Go from an idea to a logo to actual stuff you can hold, all in one place. Head to our AI Logomaker in the link below and try it for yourself. Until next time, logo lovers.